جی السلام علیکم ناظرین، آج ہم جس ٹاپک پر بات کریں گے وہ ہے ہوٹل انڈسٹری میں یوز ہونے والے ڈفرینٹ سافٹ ویئر اور سسٹم کے حوالے سے. جیسا کہ پہلے ہم ایک ویڈیو میں یہ بات کر چکے ہیں کہ کون کون سے ڈپارٹمنٹ ہوٹل میں ہوتے ہیں اور ان کے فنکشنز اور ایکٹیویٹیز کے حوالے سے. لیکن آج جو ہم بات کریں گے وہ یہ ہے کہ وہ ان آرڈر ٹو پرفارم دیئر فنکشنز اینڈ ڈیوٹیز کون سے سافٹ ویئر اور سسٹمز کو یوز کیا جاتا ہے. اگر ہم فرنٹ آفس کی بات کریں تو وہاں پہ ظاہر ہے کہ چیک ان چیک آؤٹ، رجسٹریشن آف دا گیسٹ اینڈ لاٹ ادر ایکٹیویٹیز آر پرفارمڈ اینڈ دے آر آل پرفارمڈ بائی دا سسٹمز انسٹالڈ آن ٹو دا ہوٹلس. بہت سارے سافٹ ویئر جو ہے وہ اویلیبل ہے مارکیٹ میں، اینڈ دیر آر میری customized hotel designed software available which can be installed onto the local property or they are available on the cloud as well. لیکن آج جو ہم بات کریں گے وہ ہے ہوٹل کے بہت ہی ڈومینیٹنگ سافٹ ویئر یوز ان دا ہوٹل انڈسٹری از دا اوپرا. اوپرا جو ہے وہ اس کے اندر ڈفرینٹ ماڈلس ہیں. اٹس این کمبینیشن آف ڈفرینٹ ماڈیولس، جیسا کہ آپ کو اس سلائڈ میں نظر آ رہا ہے کہ اس کے اندر ریزرویشن اینڈ دین سیلز اینڈ کیٹرنگ اس کے اندر موجود ہے. اینڈ آف ڈے پروسیجر وچ از پرفارم ڈیورنگ دا نائٹ اینڈ بائی دا اینڈ آف دا ڈے اینڈ دین اٹ کلوز دا ڈے. ایکچولی اٹ فیسیلیٹیٹ دا نائٹ آڈیٹر. And then we have configuration part and some utilities that are used for different features. So Opera is the dominating software used in the hotel industry, and lot of international brands use this worldwide, and it is well known internationally. So if you are looking for a job and want to join the hotel industry, I think it would be best to get some information and the knowledge about that system. تو یہ جو سسٹم ہے یہ سیلز اینڈ کیٹرنگ، مارکیٹنگ، سیلز فورس آٹومیشن ماڈیول ہے اس کے اندر، جو کہ مارکیٹنگ کو فیسیلیٹیٹ کرتا ہے. اینڈ دین لاٹ ادر فیچرز آر اویلیبل ان دس. The other segment of the software used in the hotel is the point of sale, which is installed in the restaurants, and the food and beverage department is responsible to operate that. And this basically caters all the menus items and all the prices of the menus and the items. And then it has a link that goes to the kitchen, because when somebody orders from the restaurant, the order goes to the kitchen, and in the kitchen the printout comes out with the order made from any of the outlet of the hotel, and then it is served to the guest. So point of sale also has many companies are offering different solutions, but mostly well known software used in this industry is this Micros, or the old name is actually Micros, but now the new name is called as Symphony. So Symphony is one of the best system that is used in most of the restaurants in all over the world, especially in 5-star hotels. So the other system جو کہ ہوٹل میں یوز ہوتا ہے انوینٹری کنٹرول سسٹم, اینڈ normally there is a position of cost controller who manage this software, and this software caters the inventories of the hotel. اس کے علاوہ ایک اور ماڈل جو کہ کچن کو فیسیلیٹیٹ کرتا ہے اسی سسٹم کے اندر, اینڈ کچن شیف جو ہے وہ اس میں رسپانسیبل ہوتا ہے اس کو مینیوز کو مینٹین کرنے کے لیے, اور ریسیپیز انٹر کرتا ہے اس کے اندر وہ, اینڈ دین آل دا ریسیپیز آر مینٹینڈ via the system. And then it also play a very important role for purchasing and issuing as well, because purchase orders are made by the departments via that system, and then it is printed onto the cost controller office, and then he ordered the items, and once the orders are received they are entered into the system. So receiving and then purchasing, receiving, and then having them into the store, it's all managed by that system. So there are many solutions available in the market, but one of the well-known system is from the Oracle, and that is material control system. You can use Adaco, and many other solutions are available in the market when it comes to selecting a solution. Then when we talk about finance also is having one system which basically fulfill the needs of the finance, and there are income auditor position having one of the module in this system is income audit, and then it talks about the payable, Then receivable, when all the revenue which is coming to the hotel, and then it comes to the finance, and the finance receivable manage and control this. Ultimately they are all linked to each other. However, so the reports are generated and then presented to the management for the decisions. Human resource, this also has the software for to cater the needs of the human resource, and that maintains the employees' data, their hiring and firing and terminations, and then the warnings are issued with this. And normally these kind of softwares are as per the local laws, they are compatible with the local laws. So it depends that in which country you are residing, and then you have to buy the software which basically fulfill the needs of the local law as well. So and then it also help the department to prepare the schedules, and every department has a link available, and they enter into that system for schedules for their staff, and then it goes to the human resource, and human resource prepare the wages, and then this system is linked to the finance. So at the end the payroll is generated by the finance team, and the money is paid to the employees. So this is very important software as well, which facilitate the human resource department. Then there are some other systems, if they are used, although they are not mandatory, but they can be linked to the system as well. To mind you that all these systems are linked to each other. So basically IT department is responsible to make sure the data flow is smooth and the transitions are done properly, and then interfaces are working properly, so that all the transactions can accumulate into one system, so that the reports can be generated for the management. There are some other systems which I just mentioned are like Wi-Fi, or so that is also linked to the PMS system. And then there is a telephone system which is linked to again to the PMS system. So if the guest is making any call, that automatically goes to his folio as well, and at the end when he is checking out, he has all the expenses printed automatically for him to pay. Telephone services also facilitate with this link or with the interface, that the housekeeping, when they clean the rooms normally, they can have some codes available onto the telephone, and they once they press some certain codes, it gives the room status to the system itself. So the front office people, they can immediately know that if the room has been cleaned, or it is on hold, or it is under maintenance, or it is if it is still in preparation phase. So that all can be seen from the system if the housekeeping is linked to the telephone system. So these interfaces function once all the systems are linked to each other, and that's how the hotel system works. So that's all from me, and I will be sharing with you some more information about the hotel software and how they are utilized and the usage of them. So please subscribe this channel, and until the next video, I thank you so much, and stay tuned, and Allah Hafiz. Thank you.